Now we have this physics pass question on the board. This is a JAMB pass question. It says, which of the following is the correct explanation of inertia of a body? A. Ability to overcome the Earth's gravity. B. Reluctance to start moving. C. Readiness to start moving. D. Reluctance to start moving. And its readiness to stop moving once it has begun to move. E. Reluctance to start moving and its reluctance to stop moving once it has begun to move. A JAMB pass question. Now, we've talked about inertia, and we said inertia is the tendency or the reluctance of a body to continue to remain in a state of rest or to be in uniform motion in the absence of an applied force. Now, looking at these options, we have option A, B, C, D, and E. Option A says inertia is the ability to overcome the Earth's gravity. That is out of it. We don't have a business with that. The second, it is the reluctance to start moving. Yes, inertia is the reluctance to start moving, but it is not just reluctance to start moving. So the option B is not complete. That is why it's out. Option C says readiness to start moving. No, it is not ready. It doesn't want to start. It is reluctance to start. Okay? Now option D says reluctance to start moving. Okay? And its readiness to stop moving once it has begun to move. No. If it doesn't want to start, but if it starts, it doesn't want to stop. So it is not, this option D says readiness to stop moving. This is where option D gets it wrong, right? So option D is out of it. Option E says reluctance to start moving and its reluctance to stop moving once it has begun to move. That is the answer. It doesn't want to start, but if it starts, it doesn't want to stop. That is inertia, which makes option E your correct answer. Option E becomes your correct answer. Please follow my Facebook page. Please share to your friends who might need it. Then subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and drop your comments. Thank you.